South Africa, the 5th of September 2017, 14:10 by Nomalubi Jordan Waniel Manyi during an interview about his ownership of the New Age newspaper and ANN7 television channel. Image VLINHLAPO. The South Gauteng High Court on Tuesday lashed out at former government spin doctor Waniel Manyi as instructing attorney for failing to file heads of argument in a defamation case filed by billionaire entrepreneur Magdalena Wierzitska against him. Wierzitska, the outspoken chief executive of Signia Asset Management and South Africa's wealthiest woman, has filed an urgent application in the South Gauteng High Court. She is seeking an order declaring statements many made against her on Twitter and Facebook, including that she was guilty of economic terrorism, defamatory. The matter is due to be argued on Thursday. Last week, the court directed both counsels to file their heads of argument by 2 p.m. on Monday, but only Wierzitska's counsel met the deadline. Judge Bashir Valley did not take kindly to Kagiso Dinaka's attitude and behavior in failing to file the heads on time. There was a directive from myself that the heads must be filed on Monday at 2 p.m., Valley said. Dinaka told the court that he did not think it was urgent to file the heads as both counsels had agreed that the matter should be heard on Thursday. The attitude of not filing heads must stop. That conduct is unacceptable. It doesn't allow the court to do its job, Valley asserted. The court was also told that Dinaka's personal assistant had refused to give the registrar his cell phone number when she called his office to inquire about the heads of argument. Valley directed Dinaka to file an affidavit explaining why he did not file the heads of argument timelessly and for Manyi's counsel to file the heads of argument by 4 p.m. on Tuesday. In an affidavit filed in court, Wierzitska said Manyi's statements against her on social media amounted to harassment and she wants the court to interdict him from publishing any further defamatory statements. She also wants the court to direct Manyi to issue an unconditional apology and retraction on social media and remove the statements on all the platforms they were posted on. Manyi, however, is denying that his comments were defamatory. He says the court should strike the matter from the roll as it is not urgent. Manyi's company, Lordidox, recently bought ANN7 and The New Age from Oak Bay, a company belonging to the controversial Gupta family, for a combined $450 million. The deal is a vendor finance transaction, which means the funding for the transaction will come from Oak Bay.